Hello everyone, welcome once again. Hope you're all okay. In one of our previous videos we showed you how to open and clean our wall magic clippers. Sometimes it's easier to open a product, but it's hard to reassemble it. So I thought to make another video and share my experience with you, uh, how to reassemble the wall magic clippers. Might help you in sorting your clippers out. So let's begin. First of all, we pick our clippers back housing, and we start with our on off switch. We put our on off switch into that position and put that back in place. As you can see that it clicks properly. The second thing is we'll pick our clipper motors, power motors, and we put our motor back into position. Then the battery, and then we put the control chip and the charging slot. Then we screw in the wiring with the on off switch. These two small screws will go on the on off switch. Make sure that these screws are not loose, because it may cause a sparking if you leave it loose. So tighten them properly. So our clippers is already in working condition. The second thing is we pick this motor cover up, and don't forget to put this magnet back in there. And then these black screws, 3 of them, will go into the motor cover. Come on, naughty boy. So these things have gone back in position. What's next? What's next? Yes, the next is this part. that goes in there. And these small silver screws will go in there. It's because of that magnet. That's done. The next thing is the blades. That small nut will go in there, and don't forget to put that back in. Then the blade support, and then this thing will go in there. That is called the taper lever. I'm not gonna fully tighten the taper lever because I need to put the blades back in place first. That spring will go in there. Sometimes the things are tricky. Yes. That is the spring that sits in there. And then you push your spring with this little boy, and then you put this active blade, the small blade, and on the top you can put a little bit of oil before you put the blades back on if you want, and I'm doing so. So there comes the blades. Right, I'm gonna leave it like that, and then we will do the level in the last. Now we're gonna put this front cover on the clippers, and then put the screws back on. There are two big black screws that will go on the bottom. and this tiny flathead screw will go on top of it. And finally we'll put our thumb grip back in position. So that's our wall clipper. Now it's time for the taper lever and level the blades. So we gently do our taper lever first. So that's our taper lever. And then we level our blades. Just make sure that how much gap you want to keep. Do you want to keep a zero gapping, or want to keep a little bit hold the blades tight. Excuse me. So there we go. As you can see, our blades are level. It sounds almost new. Sounds almost new. So that's it for now. That's how we reassemble our wall magic clippers. How you I hope that you like the video. If you like it, subscribe it so we can bring more videos for you. Thanks for watching. Look after yourself, and we'll see you with a new idea in another video. Goodbye for now.